In a world where technology surrounds us on all sides, it is rare to come across a product that not only meets our daily needs, but transcends them to offer a truly immersive experience. Imagine a device that transforms your living room into a cinema, your office into a high-tech conference room, and your garden into a theater under the stars. This device exists, and it is called the Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p Projector, a technological gem that redefines the way you experience sharing moments and professional presentations. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, as well as to see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews and order yours right away. This product is ideal for home cinema enthusiasts and professionals looking for a flexible and user-friendly high-definition presentation solution. With its advanced connectivity and superior image quality, it is perfectly suited for families, educators, and businesses looking to enhance their visual and interactive experiences. This Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p projector is not just an ordinary projector. It is the heart of a revolution in the world of entertainment and professional presentation. With its native Full HD 1080p resolution and 4K support, it guarantees images of exceptional clarity and sharpness, immersing the viewer in an unprecedented visual universe. Imagine brighter colors, deeper contrast, and a visual experience that far surpasses those offered by standard projectors on the market. What distinguishes this Wi-Fi Bluetooth VISSPL projector is its unprecedented connectivity. Thanks to its 4G, 5G Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.1 chip, it connects easily and quickly to all your devices, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted transmission of your favorite movies, presentations, or music. Whether you want to project the latest blockbuster, share a PPT presentation in a business meeting, or play music on an external speaker, this Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p projector meets all your expectations. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. One of the most innovative features of this Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p projector is its 64p digital trapezoidal correction, 50% zoom, positioning the Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p projector in the center to get a perfect rectangle. Its position doesn't matter. The Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL projector adjusts the image to ensure it is flawless, offering unmatched flexibility and ease of use. That's not all. This Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p projector is designed to adapt to all environments, whether for indoor use like a home cinema or for outdoor projections during gatherings with family or friends. Its giant 400-inch screen transforms any space into a theater, promising unforgettable moments day after day, night after night. And this brand doesn't stop there. In addition to offering a high-quality product, it ensures total customer satisfaction with a 2-year product replacement warranty. This not only reflects the brand's confidence in the quality of its product, but also its commitment to its customers. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, high resolution and but 4K support. Offers native Full HD quality with 4K support, ensuring exceptional sharpness and clarity for all types of content. Advantage number 2, advanced connectivity. Integrates 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1 for easy and fast connection with various devices without the need for cables. Advantage number 3, 6D4P trapezoidal correction. This allows for impressive image adjustability, ensuring a perfect projection even when the Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p projector is not positioned directly facing the screen. Advantage number 4, flexible zoom. The 50% zoom function offers great flexibility in the size of the projection screen, reaching up to 400 inches for an immersive cinematic experience. Advantage number 5, versatility of use. It is suitable for professional presentations thanks to its ability to read PPT documents via USB, as well as for home or outdoor entertainment. Advantage number 6, high-quality built-in speaker. The integrated stereo speaker provides clear and powerful sound with the option to connect external speakers via Bluetooth for an enhanced audio experience. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. The need for a dark environment for better image quality. Although the Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p projector offers good brightness, low light conditions are preferable to maximize image quality, which may limit its use in well-lit environments during the day. In summary, the Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p projector is much more than a simple projector. It is a gateway to a world of infinite possibilities, where every viewing moment becomes a unique experience. Whether for work, entertainment, or moments of sharing, it adapts to all situations, promising unparalleled image quality, connectivity, and flexibility. For those who are ready to transform their way of experiencing entertainment and professional presentations, the time has come to take the plunge. Click on link in desk to order Wi-Fi Bluetooth 16000L VISSPL Full HD 1080p projector best price, learn more about its exceptional features, and discover hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Don't miss this opportunity to experience a revolutionary visual and sound experience. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.